Focus 2 Career is a self-paced planning tool that is designed to help you make informed decisions about your academic and career future. It asks a series of questions about your top work interests, values, skills, personality type, and leisure time interests. Using your answers, it then helps you identify occupations and major areas of study compatible with your personal interests. You can repeat any feature as often as you desire. Your results are saved and accessible in your account. You can also use it as an ongoing resource throughout your college career. After using Focus 2 Career, discuss your results with your career counselor, guided pathways advisor, or college and career success professor. If you are a student, follow these instructions to set up your Focus 2 Career account. First, log in to MyCTState. Next, scroll down and click on the Focus 2 Career Planning tile. When you log in for the first time, you should get this screen. From the Your Campus/Role menu, select your home campus. From the Semester in which you are initially signing up for Focus 2 menu, select the first semester for which you are accessing Focus 2. From the Primary Reason for Using Focus 2 menu, select College and Career Success or CCS 1001 course. If you're using Focus 2 Career for something other than the CCS 1001 course, please choose the most appropriate option from the available choices. Finally, click on Update. You will be prompted to complete this step only the first time when you sign into your Focus 2 Career account. If you are a returning user, simply log back into MyCTState and click on the Focus 2 Career Planning tile to pick up where you left off. Make sure you only log in to Focus 2 from MyCTState. For any challenges or questions regarding Focus 2 Career, feel free to contact D. Price at comnet.edu.